So polling has began at 7 in the morning in a city like Chennai. Crowds are already pouring in to cast their vote. And I want to quickly give you a sense of who all have come out so far. You've had Kamal Haasan, Rajnikant, actors like Surya, Ajit, all of them who've cast their vote. Before I get you all those details, I just want to quickly take this across to Akshay now. She's joining us live from the SIET College in Chennai. Right behind her, MK Stalin, Udayanidhi Stalin and the entire family has come out to cast their vote. Akshay, good morning. Early morning, we're seeing MK Stalin out there standing in the queue, all set to cast his ballot.
Well, good morning, Akshita, and we're seeing that for the people of Tamil Nadu and especially Chennai, it's a very early morning, and already Udayanidhi Stalin and MK Stalin have reached here. MK Stalin had come along with his wife Durga and Udayanidhi with his wife, and we've seen that MK Stalin has decided that he will stand in the queue and go after all those people who were there ahead of him, and he's been standing here for the last 10 to 15 minutes. And for the rising sun, this is an important elections. Akshita, we need to remember that without Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi, this is the first time that we are facing polls, and here the DMK is trying to ensure that they come back to power. But will that be possible? The people will decide. But it is a very busy day at SIET polling station where I'm currently standing at, and there are a lot of precautionary measures which have been put into place. Let me show you those things as well, Akshita. There are masks, gloves, sanitizers, all of these provided to the people who are coming here to cast their vote. And even for Mr. MK Stalin and his son Udayanidhi Stalin, if you can see, they have provided all these gears, and there is a lot of security measure as well which has been put into place to ensure that MK Stalin is safe, and we can see the kind of police protection that has been additionally put for the DMK leader. And this election, it was seen that MK Stalin had gone first to his father's memorial early morning today. He went to Kalaignar Samadhi in the marina, and after that the family came here along with their respective spouses. And this is going to be a very important election for the DMK, because the AIADMK in alliance with the BJP is also seen as a very strong contender. With the absence of Jayalalitha, the AIADMK was expected to fall apart, but they have been standing strong. So the DMK is trying to fight this election in a very competitive manner. And apart from what is happening here, we can also see that the kind of crowd that is coming in, the DMK supporters who are coming in, is also massive. They're all coming here saying that they're here to support their leader, their chief. And we can also see here that Stalin's wife and Udayanidhi's wife have casted their votes, and they're waiting here outside the polling stations. So that is another interesting visuals that we can see, and all of them in yellow, Akshita, the color of the DMK, which is always expressed here. And we need to remember that this elections, there will be a lot of factors which will fall into place. The women voters especially should be taken into consideration, because last elections, the women voters were the ones who decided on who won.
And let's focus on that point, Akshay, that you're making about women voters. Let's focus on that point. I'll keep coming across